Welcome to another JeaKen video. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. What are neurobics? The term neurobics is one you may not be familiar with. It is similar to aerobics, which are exercises for the body to take part in. They keep you fit and healthy, and you should be taking part in them on a regular basis. Neurobics are very similar, as they are exercises that you should take part in so that your brain gets the exercise that it needs. If you are someone that follows a routine day after day, this is going to create some fun as well as some chaos in your world. Neurobics are fascinating to explore because they allow you to use all 5 of your senses to exercise your brain. At the same time, it allows you to explore your emotional senses and to see how they should all be able to work together. When you engage in such activities, your brain is going to get stronger. You will also grow new brain cells, which is important for your overall mental well-being. There are some really fun activities you can try that fall into the category of neurobics. For example, try to do something such as eating or getting dressed with your eyes closed. When you do so, you have to rely upon your other senses to help you get it done. Try to engage in a conversation with someone, but no words can be exchanged. Instead, you have to rely upon your other movements of the body to express yourself. Another category of neurobics involves exploring 2 things at one time. This isn't on the same level though as multitasking though. You want to do 2 things that allow your mind the freedom to be creative. For example, you can draw while listening closely to the music on the radio. We all have many routine things about us that we may not even notice. These are habits engraved in our brain patterns. We take part in them without thinking about doing it differently. This form of neurobics involves changing those normal routines. Do you usually clean the kitchen first in your home? If so, then save it for last this weekend. Do you always start your day the same way? Now is the time to shake things up and do something different. Identify which hand is dominant and then decide for an entire day to do everything with your other hand. It is going to be harder than you thought, and it is going to take plenty of concentration. You may discover that you get better at it though as the day progresses. It is going to alter the way that your brain has to think when it comes to accomplishing tasks that have become too single for you. There are so many different ways in which you can experiment with neurobics. Have fun with it and do your best to learn all you can from it. Most of these types of tasks you can do at home, at work, and even when you travel. The key is to identify those things you always do one way. Then you can make a conscious effort to do it differently. It can also be fun to keep notes documenting what you have discovered as well as the outcomes of your neurobic activities. Neurobics can be very fun to take part in as they help you to further develop your mind. They help us to appreciate what all our brain is able to assist us with accomplishing each day. However, it also gives us insight to the conclusion that our brains control a great deal of what we do. The fact that we often just go along with it and not question it needs to be something of the past. As you explore neurobics though, you will understand that you have the ability to change things around and to always keep your brain learning in new ways. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.